Another day, another walk. So happy. It's early spring. It's still a bit fresh in the morning, but it's beautiful. Just want to talk about this area a little bit. I got this nice map, Eucumbene map, and I started here at the intersection of Nimmo Road and Eucumbene Road. I followed a dirt road, this one here, to the bridge where I'm right now. From here you can follow the Nimmo Road all the way and do like a really big loop. But today we are here right now at the bridge. I'm going up to the intersection and I'm gonna stay straight, and I'm gonna follow this all the way zigzag down to the dam. The dam is right here. Yeah, and that's the Eucumbene Dam.